Prestige babies, this is Prestige International Rejuvenating Plus set, new and improved. So this set has 1 toner, 1 sunblock cream, 1 rejuvenating plus cream, and 1 soap. Now, I will teach you guys kung paano gamitin tong set na to para hindi kayo magkamali. Because all we want is to achieve that perfect glass skin face, you know, yung mamula-mula, medyo glowing, and hindi mo kailangan magsuot ng makapal na makeup. So, yan. First step in the morning is using this soap. So, basahin nyo muna yung mukha ninyo. After nyo siyang basahin, irarab nyo yung soap sa kamay, pabubulain nyo siya, and then, yung bula ang gagamitin yung panghugas sa face. After rinsing that, you're going to use the Rejuvenating Plus Toner. So, i-apply mo siya sa cotton balls. 1 layer lang, okay na yon, since sa umaga naman siya. Then after that, bago ka lumabas, 30 minutes before sun exposure, you're going to use Prestige International Sunblock Cream. This has SPF 15. Okay? You can just reapply it every 2 hours since hindi natin maiiwasan pagpawisan, mabasa ng ulan, if in case umuulan. Sa gabi naman, ulitin mo lang siya. Gagamitin mo ulit yung sabon with the same direction na sinabi ko kanina. Next is toner. And then, sa gabi, ang gagamitin mo is Rejuvenating Plus Cream. So, this cream has active ingredients na. You don't wanna over-apply it kasi ayaw natin na mamumula-mula yung skin natin sa umaga pagkatapos ating gumamit ng morning set. So, mag-apply lang tayo ng tamang-tamang amount nito. Promise, this really works. I tried it and you can see naman, hindi naman siya yung grabe nagbabalat. Actually, tama na yung pagbabalat. Depende kasi yun eh. Usually, pag marami ka nang ginamit na rejuvenating set, magbabalat talaga yung mukha mo. But this new set is mas matapang siya ng konting-kunti lang kaysa dun sa old version ng product na to. But this is really effective, I swear. So, Prestige babies, always read the directions carefully, follow the steps, and don't be so giggle using our products. Remember guys that our products is full of active ingredients, so a little goes a long way. I'm Justine from Prestige International. Bye guys!